Hi, I'm Anupriya and we are learning today Future Perfect Continuous Tense. This tense speaks about the action which takes place in future, or it shows those ongoing, regular or continue actions or tasks which starts in future and is thought to be continue for some time or for long time. So it shows the duration also of that particular task which take place in future and keep on going for some time. Suppose if I say I will be watching movie tomorrow. There is information about me of watching movie tomorrow. Now I am saying I will have been watching movie for 3 hours. Alright. So here what I am giving you information, I am giving you the information about watching movie for 3 hours, the duration of 3 hours, and the process is ongoing. The process of watching movie is regular. So in this way we use future perfect continuous tense, going towards the structure of the sentence. In this tense we use the auxiliary verb will have been or shall have been following the subject. So when the subject is plural in the sentence, that is I, we, you and they. I and you are exception in this segment because we are using the same auxiliary or helping verb along with them that we use with rest of the plural subject. So we can use will have been or shall have been, both the helping verbs along with plural subject in future perfect continuous tense. I, which is a subject, will have been plus first form of the verb includes ing. I will have been working for 4 hours. Alright. I shall have been working for 4 hours. So here it is showing the ongoing process of a work for some time in future. Talking about the negative emotion of the same tense or sentence. We will or shall, we will have not been waiting for him for long. We will have not been waiting for him for long. Asking a question. When I am asking a question, we put helping or auxiliary verb at the head of the sentence and then it becomes a interrogative or a question in future perfect continuous tense. Will you or shall you have been watching the football match? Will you have been watching the football match? This was a question. Now, when we ask the question with a negative emotion or expression, alright? So what we do, we add will plus not, that becomes want, and we keep it at the head of the sentence. So the construction becomes want, then subject which is they, want they have been starting for their project. Want they have been starting their project. This was a question we asked in a negative sense or expressions. Using shall, because shall is also a plural subject. So when we ask a question using shall, what we do not write shall not at the initial of the sentence. We just break shall and not. That is, shall they have been, shall they have not been, I am so sorry, I forgot to write not. Shall they have not been starting their project? That is asking a question using shall with a negative emotion or expression. Now, when it comes to the singular subject, using this future perfect continuous tense, we only use will have been. We do not use shall have been. So, the singular subject, which is he, she, it and the person's name Ravi, let's see the construction. Subject, which is he, will have been, the key auxiliary verb of this tense. He will have been sleeping more than 5 hours. Alright. Ongoing work, continue work of sleeping of him. He will have been sleeping more than 5 hours. Asking in a negative motion, she will not have been preparing for dance. She will not have been preparing for dance. When I ask you a question, will it have been raining for 3 days? Alright, there is a forecast of raining in future. So I am just asking that the work of raining or the process of raining will take place for 3 days in future. So I am asking a question here. Will it have been raining for 3 days? Now, when I ask you a question using negative motion in this tense, so what we do, we just add will plus not and it becomes the word want. Beautiful word. Want Ravi have been living in America. Want Ravi have been living in America. So these were the rules, and the important rule is that this tense, which is future perfect continuous, carries the auxiliary verb will have been or shall have been. Along with the singular, only use will have been, and with the plural, both are right, shall have been and will have been. So do practice it. Bye.